So Osisko Gold Royalty just announced that they will be spinning out Caribou Project and other development stage project in a new company called Osisko Development Corp. So how does this impact Osisko Gold Royalty going forward? Let's take a look at the transaction in more details. Osisko Gold Royalty will transfer mining assets and marketable securities to a new spinco that include the Caribou Project in BC, Canada, San Antonio Gold Project in Mexico, also a portfolio of publicly listed equity position valued around 116 million, and other exploration stage assets in Quebec and Mexico. So Osisko Development Corp will be valued around 850 million. The newly formed company will led by Sean Rosen as CEO, and Sabdeep Singh, currently is the president of OR, will become the new CEO. The new spinco will undertake equity financing of 100 million at $7.50 per share. That include warrants that can be exercised at $10 per share. The 100 million financing is to fund development of the Caribou Project and San Antonio Gold Project. Osisko Gold Royalty will own 88% of the new company, and they will retain 5% NSR in Caribou Project, 15% gold and silver stream on the San Antonio project. These royalties are equal to about 20,000 ounces of gold per year, which is equal to 25% increase in revenue. I think this is a genius move by Osisko Gold Royalties. By spinning out the Caribou Project and equity portfolio, Osisko Gold Royalty now becomes a pure royalty play, which will likely get a re-rate by the market, as the current share price is trading at a discount to peers. At the same time, OR will own 80% of the newco. This ownership is valued around 750 million. Keep in mind that Caribou Project was purchased for 338 million. Now let's dive deeper into the new company and look at the valuation to see if the spinco is undervalued or overvalued comparing to peers with similar projects. So after the equity financing, Osisko Development Corp will expected to have enterprise value of 734 million, with almost 7 million ounces of total gold resource and expected annual production around 276,000 ounces of gold per year. Now let's look at their peers and see what they are trading at. Osisko Mining have enterprise value of 969 million with total gold equivalent resource of 5.1 million and expected production of 218,000 ounces of gold per year. Skeena Resource have enterprise value around 400 million with total gold equivalent ounce of 4 million ounces and expected annual production over 300,000 ounces per year. And lastly, Ascot Resource have enterprise value around 300 million with total gold equivalent resource of 3.5 million ounces and expected annual production of 132,000 ounces of gold equivalent per year. So by comparing these three gold developers to Caribou Project, I don't think the 734 million valuation is overvalued in my opinion, because they will have about 200 million cash equivalent and Caribou Project requires about 300 million capex. And once Caribou Project is in production, a 200,000 ounce per year gold mine should be valued above 1 billion. And also I do think Skeena and Ascot is undervalued. So in conclusion, I think the management made a great move by removing the development risk from OR, and this will help Osisko Gold Royalty to transition into a pure royalty play where the market should appreciate and re-rate the stock price higher. At the same time, the shares in the spinco will have a fair value around 750 million. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.